In today's lesson, tiri kuita calculus. Saka calculus is a branch in mathematics which is primarily made up of two disciplines. So this is calculus. It's made up of two disciplines. Tine inonzi differentiation, and then lastly, tine inonzi integration. But what you should also know panapa is integration is another term. We can call it anti-differentiation. That is what we can call it. And this should tell you that largely integration is simply a reversal of differentiation. Saka kana kuri kuti tiri kudifferentiata, kana tichida the opposite of differentiation, kana kuti the opposite of a derivative, tinenge takuintegrata. That is the reason why it is called anti-differentiation. So the story of calculus is very fascinating. It happened in the 17th or 18th century during a certain plague. In recent history, we had a plague in 2019, corona COVID-19 plague or pandemic. So let me call it a pandemic. So there was once a pandemic in the 17th century, that is 17th, 18th century, somewhere there. So during this plague or pandemic actually, schools were put under lockdown and everyone was forced to be under lockdown. During this lockdown, a student at one of these British schools, not sure if it is Cambridge or Oxford, but I'm sure it's Cambridge. So a student at Cambridge by the name Isaac Newton, during a lockdown, discovered gravitation initially. Saka there's this famous legend of kugara pasi pemuti, then kudonha kwe-apple. Then he started to question, kana apple richigona kudonha kubva mumuti ko mwedzi uri kudonhawo here, meaning the moon. And then he developed the mathematics to understand this. That mathematics ndiyo yatinoti calculus, differentiation and integration. But from another part of the world, there was also another man called Leibniz. Leibniz also discovered or invented calculus. So the two main people we talk about when we talk about calculus, we have Isaac Newton and I'm forgetting the first name, but the second it's Leibniz. So Leibniz na Isaac Newton, they were actually intellectual rivalries. Vakanga vaine a very stern competition between them. So from Isaac Newton, that's where we primarily get calculus. But from Leibniz, we get notation. And kana chiti notation, for differentiation, it's dy, dx, and for integration, this is the sign of integration. So this sign and boundaries from a to b, the function of x with respect to x. So what we get from Leibniz in notation, with integration inonyorwa sei, differentiation inonyorwa sei, tinozvaona from Leibniz, but from Newton we get the mechanics of calculus. Inoshanda sei, how do we apply it, how do we use it? So that is what we are going to be looking at. It's a very fascinating branch in mathematics. So let us now get to differentiation, because ndoyatotanga nayo. Before we proceed, Any questions pertaining to what we have discussed so far?
So far, hapana.
That is okay. What do we want to learn about differentiation? To understand differentiation, tinofanirwa kunge tiine a working knowledge of functions. We should know kuti kana chiti the function of x, that is where we should actually start. Kana chiti the function of x, basically tinenge tichiti chi f of x. That is the notation. Saka when we are differentiating, it is a breakdown process meant to decompose a function, an equation, or an expression into what we call a gradient function. So the English definition of this, chirikuti, a breakdown process. But breakdown process, it is meant to decompose a function. Decomposition tinowanzo kuishandisa kana chitaura pamusoro pekuora kwezvinhu. Saka basically ndo zviri kuitika panapa. A function, an equation, or an expression into a gradient function. So what I want to explain now is what do we call a gradient function? Saka the main uses, you should understand this. So notation yedu ndeyekuti my heading tomanyora in this color. My notes amunogona kunyorawo pasi tomanyora in white. Then we demonstrate in other colors. Then you choose what you want to write from demonstrations. Saka, what do we mean by gradient function? What you should understand about differentiation is we have two main uses of calculus. Differentiation tinoishandisa kana tichida kucalculate gradient, and integration tinoishandisa kana tichida kucalculate area. Saka iyi tichazoibata integration iyi. Let us focus on differentiation. Do you remember from your O level kuti taiti the gradient of a straight line m is equal to change in y over change in x? And if you remember, change in y over change in x, then vamwe vainyora vachiti delta y over delta x. And I remember telling you kuti the Greek alphabet rinotangira pana alpha richigumira pana omega. Saka alpha ndiyo a, omega ndiyo yekupedzisira. Then pakati panapa tinana beta, vana theta, vana epsilon and stuff. One of the letters we find in the Greek alphabet is called delta. Saka delta ndo yakadangofanana nani na D. Delta yacho inonyorwa sei in Greek alphabet? Kana iri small letter inonyorwa so, delta. Kana iri capital letter inongonyorwa se triangle like this. Saka pataiti change in y over change in x, toti it's equal to delta y over delta x. Tinogona kuzvinyora like this, delta y over delta x, kana kuti in English dy dx. Saka dy dx ndiyo chi yatino understand as differentiation. Actually, I meant to say that the way we calculated gradient in O level is a precursor of differentiation. Because pataiti change in y over change in x, in essence, taingoreva kuti dy dx. Are you seeing the correlation now? Fanana kwazvakaita. Saka yatinowana after we have differentiated something, be it an expression, an equation, or a function, we get a gradient function. Zvekuti we can use that function, that answer we get, to get the gradient of a function, be it a curve or a straight line. The process gives us a result which measures the change in one variable with respect to the other. That's the gradient. Chinonzi gradient kuchinja kwa-y with respect to x. Ndo chinonzi gradient. Y ari kuchinja sei maringe nax. Handiti? So this topic, we are going to be looking at 10 concepts, examinable concepts, and also 4 applications of differentiation. Saka the main application of differentiation kutsvaka gradient, but we also have other applications.